The government has called on the World Health Organization to investigate on the deaths of 20 child cancer patients at the Kuwait hospital in Sana'a. This report has more details.
Yemen's civil war, since it began 8 years ago, has cut off access to essentials such as food and medicine, giving rise to smuggling networks across the largely Houthi-controlled areas, as well as the government-controlled south, which had left a negative impact on Yemeni's health, let alone the children. Yemeni internationally recognized government calls for investigation into deaths of child cancer patients in Sana'a. The government has called for the World Health Organization to investigate the death of at least 20 child patients in the controlled capital after they were given expired chemotherapy injections. The Houthi rebels' health ministry stated during this week that the children were among a group of 20 leukemia patients aged between 3 and 15 and died at the Kuwait hospital in Sana'a after being injected with old doses of smuggled medicine at a number of private clinics. A government source said that the number of deaths caused by the expired drug was 20 and called for an international investigation, urging the international community, United Nations, and international organizations, especially the World Health Programme, to open an urgent case, to prosecute and hold those involved in the accountable, and to stop the restrictions and manipulation practiced by the Houthi militia with donated drugs, and the smuggling of corrupt and expired medicines through companies owned by the Houthi leaders. The Houthis are often accused of blocking or holding up deliveries of humanitarian aid, on which 80% of Yemen population depend on for their survival. Several doctors in Sana'a told the Associated Press that the Houthi officials secretly work in partnership with medicine smugglers, who often sell expired treatment to private clinics from storage houses across the country. The Houthi rebels doesn't put Yemeni's health into consideration. Therefore, they should take full responsibility for the faulty drug that caused the tragedy.